Disclaimer, this video and all of my channel is not for kids. If you are under the age of 13, click off of this video. If you are 13 and up, you may proceed to the video. Also, this video isn't too extreme, but there's the disclaimer because none of my channel is for kids, so here's the disclaimer anyway. Let's get the mail. What the hell came today? Let's see what the hell came today. If we're lucky, something came. If we're unlucky, nothing came. Oh look, a little box. Oh look. Jesus Christ. Oh look. It's a little box. This better not be just a toothbrush holder.
Harris. Listen to this.
Yeah. Here we got this.
Heroic, patriotic, transformational leader who will go down in American history.
We opened
as
the
one of
box.
the greatest public servants of all time.
If it shows my address on accident, I'm gonna blur it out.
And Vice President Harris first took office on January 20th of 2021. The Biden-Harris team assumed
I cut the box enough. Now let's open it.
and a democracy crisis in the immediate aftermath of January 6th at the same time.
Rip open. Let's rip off the tape.
Of President Joe Biden
Rip the
and
box.
his partnership with Vice President Kamala Harris
Wait. It's that small.
rescued the country from a once-in-a-century pandemic. And turned
There's
the
an
situation
Elmo
around so we
talking
could return
tape measure.
to normalcy. Thanks to the leadership of President Biden and his partnership
It's
with
off.
Vice President Harris,
Turn it on.
they were able to save the economy from a once in a decade or so recession. Americans could thrive in every single zip code across America.
That's an Elmo talking tape measure.
Biden and his partners